Are you ready to improve your video management experience? Let's explore the new features of Wavestore V640. Wavestore's latest video management software release, version 6.40, provides helpful tools giving you more control, simplifying user tasks, and increasing work efficiency. The new local users feature enables security teams to protect important information and let operators access what they need. It suits companies with locations in many places, allowing centralized user permission management tailored to each location's needs. This streamlines operations, improves security, and reduces administrative overhead for multi-site organizations. The updated user setup screen makes navigation and user setup tasks even simpler. This means operators can focus on security duties without worrying about system administration. This update further enhances Wavestore's commitment to user-centric design, making the interface more intuitive and empowering users to navigate with ease. Wavestore V640 significantly enhances the on-VF server-side features to ensure full compliance with CIRA regulations. This feature supports security management software needs by providing robust compliance tools and ensuring seamless integration with regulatory requirements. It enhances operational efficiency, minimizes the risk of non-compliance, and enables organizations to confidently meet industry standards. The new Camera Gateway Proxy is a powerful tool that enables seamless management of cameras across different networks, even in complex multi-site environments. By simplifying installation and configuration processes, it saves valuable time for installers and integrators, allowing them to deploy systems more efficiently. This feature is particularly beneficial for large-scale projects, reducing potential network conflicts and ensuring smoother system integrations. The new real-time camera status indicators feature provides operators with instant detailed updates on the condition and functionality of all connected cameras. Together with the newly released local camera and server status feature, they offer clear visibility into camera performance. These indicators enhance monitoring capabilities, enable faster identification and resolution of issues, and ensure continuous, reliable surveillance. This proactive tool helps maintain system uptime and reduces the likelihood of extended downtime due to unnoticed failures. The maintenance mode feature empowers operators to address minor faults effectively by reducing the frequency of unnecessary alerts. By enabling proactive system management, this feature reduces alarm fatigue, improves system reliability, and ensures that operators can focus on critical tasks without being overwhelmed by constant alerts. Discover the benefits of Wavestore V640 yourself. Download now or contact us for a personalized demo to explore how our innovative features can transform your video management experience, enhancing security, efficiency, and ease of use.